Light on.
Turning on the light.
Light off. Light off.
Turning off the light.
Can you? Yeah guys, on this video we're going to do the part 2 of the voice assistant. Okay guys, as you can see, I've connected my relay on the bulb, the two wires, live and earth, live and neutral. I've connected them to on my relay. Then for this part, as you can see, I've connected the three wires going to my Arduino. So as you can see, I have do this. I have GND and 5 volt. Then I connected the signal pin on pin number 13, as you can see. So just gonna demonstrate how it's working. All right. Okay guys, as you can see, this one is the Arduino code. We start with the relay. You can give it any name you like. So I'm just a relay pin I connected to number 13, and this one is the speed of it's at for the baud rate. All right, so this is how you send the characters on the serial monitor or on the communication port or COM port. So you'll say if serial dot available, then 2 bracket. So then you give it some time delay, you can make it 5 millisecond. Then after that, then I'm going to send 2 characters. This one is for on, this one is for off. So for example, I'm expecting to receive these characters. So if I receive N, it will switch on the LED. If I receive N, I will switch on the LED. Then if I received F, I'm gonna turn off the LED, or which the LED is connected to the relay, or I'm not an LED. We connected a relay on this pin number 13, so it will switch on the relay will switch on the bulb. The same as here, if I received F, it will turn off the relay, it will turn off the bulb. So let me show you the code for the software. Let me show you the code for the software. Okay guys, as you can see, on this part we import the libraries. After importing the libraries, you need to have these libraries. Import these libraries. Then after that, we initialize the recognizer. After initializing the recognizer, then we come to initialize the text to speech engine. That's when, like, if I say something, it must respond. All right, so it's gonna write that to speech. It's gonna convert that to speech. Okay, then we need to make sure this one is to initialize the serial communication. So this COM port, it must be the same as the one from your Arduino. Even the baud rate, it must be the same. All right, then this part, it's a function to listen to the voice input. This is what you do, is listening what you saying, then it will respond. Okay, let me skip this one. All right, okay, then let me go to this one. Okay, this one. So this one, what it does is to recognize the voice input. Yes, let me check. Right. Then for this one is to respond to text. It's the function to respond by speaking. So you'll be speaking, so speaking to it. So it will send the text at the bottom. I forgot the name of what is this, or the terminal. It will throw the text, the voice to the thing, then it will hear what you are saying, then after that it will respond using a text and it will speak to you also. Okay, then for this library, it's for the function, is the function to send data to Arduino. So you send the data. So this is where the magic happens. So for example, if I say, if you can hear me, if you can you hear me, then it will respond by saying, yes, I can hear you. Then meaning on the if is what I say, this one is what it says. So if you're going down, so for example, if I say light on, it will say turning on the light, and it will send this character N on the Arduino. Then for this one, it will say if I say light off, so it will say turning off the light, then it will send these characters on the Arduino. So the Arduino, when it receives these characters, they will go to the serial, then the serial, it knows what to do. So whatever that you are saying is throwing it on the respond. So as you can see, respond. So it will speak, then this part it will write, and then on this one it will say exactly what you see here. It will read it, then it will say it back. Okay guys, okay, I'm going to run my program on the Visual Studio Code. Let's wait for loading. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Light on.
Turning on the light.
Light off. Light off.
Turning off the light.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Turning off the light.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Turn on the light. Light on.
Yes, I can hear you.
Light on. Light on.
Turning on the light.
Light off. It's taking some time. Light off. Light.
Turning off the light.
Okay, it's taking so long to respond, guys. If you have any idea what can I do for you to respond quick, let me know under the comment section.
Turning off the light.
Thanks for watching, guys.